To make your first $10,000 online this month, you need a consistent income stream of about $334 per day. Thanks to modern technology, this goal is more attainable than you might think. In this video, I've compiled the 8 best online business opportunities for this year. Most of these can be started with no initial investment, from your phone and from anywhere in the world, so there are no excuses. I will break down each business model and compare them so you can find the one that suits you best. I document my entrepreneurial journey and aim to inspire others through my YouTube channel, your #1 source for free education. Each business model mentioned in this video comes with a free course link for further guidance. I don't recommend one specific model for everyone because we all have different situations. 1. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, PDF guides, templates, and courses can generate passive income. Digital products require minimal startup costs, have high profit margins, and can be sold repeatedly. The key is to focus on providing value and implementing effective marketing strategies. I offer a free course on digital products to help you get started. User-generated content, UGC. UGC involves creating content for brands without needing a large following or even showing your face. Brands need real people to test and promote their products, making this a great beginner-friendly side hustle that can be started with no money. 3. YouTube automation. Many faceless YouTube channels make significant income through ad revenue. By creating simple videos with stock footage and voiceovers on topics like motivation or technology, you can generate substantial earnings. I have a free course on starting a YouTube channel using AI or manually with zero cost. 4. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales. It's a flexible way to earn income without starting your own business. While it requires effort up front, it can be a lucrative side hustle without long-term commitments. For more detailed steps and guidance, watch the full video and check out the linked free courses. So make sure to watch till the end. If you're dedicated and consistent, you can achieve significant financial success. Remember, affiliate marketing is beginner-friendly and requires no initial investment. You can also start from anywhere in the world with no long-term commitment. I cover all the details in my free course, making it easy to get started. Dropshipping. Next is dropshipping, which is an excellent way to enter e-commerce without holding inventory or handling shipping. As a dropshipper, you act as the middleman between the buyer and the supplier, focusing on sales and leaving the supplier to handle the rest. I started dropshipping and gained valuable experience that I later applied to other ventures. This model is great for beginners, as it requires minimal upfront investment. The difficulty level is moderate due to the need to choose products, develop marketing strategies, and set up a website. My free courses on YouTube provide comprehensive guidance on dropshipping. Print on demand. If you dream of starting a clothing line or selling custom products without managing inventory, print on demand is ideal. You can sell a variety of items like shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. Print on demand allows you to focus on marketing and creativity without worrying about inventory. This business model is great for artists and those wanting to start a clothing brand. The difficulty level is moderate. You can find inspiration on platforms like Etsy and use my free resources to get started. Inventory-based e-commerce. I found success with an inventory-based e-commerce store. Handling inventory and shipping myself allowed me to build a strong community around my products. Although it requires a financial investment upfront, this model offers more control over your products and packaging, which can enhance your brand's appeal. Starting an inventory-based store is riskier and more challenging, but can be highly rewarding. It requires a clear vision, strong marketing skills, and dedication. My free courses cover everything you need to know to succeed in this space. Content creation. Lastly, content creation is a powerful online business model. You don't have to be an influencer to succeed. Many accounts create content on topics they're passionate about without showing their faces. Whether it's cooking, DIY, or another interest, you can start a TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook page and distribute your content across multiple platforms. This way, you can monetize your content on various channels. Today's social media environment makes it easier than ever to turn content creation into a profitable business. Each of these business models offers unique opportunities and challenges. Whether you're starting with zero investment or have some funds to allocate, there's an online business that can work for you. Explore these options, utilize the free courses available, and choose the one that aligns best with your interests and goals. You can monetize your content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and even TikTok. For example, live streams on TikTok can generate substantial income. As a content creator, you can develop additional sub-businesses from your primary content. The key is to niche down and focus on one topic, whether it's fashion, cooking, or math tutorials. Building a solid audience is essential, and diversifying your content too much can hinder growth. Creating short-form content is the critical skill for online success. Regardless of your business model, mastering the psychology of social media algorithms can propel your business to 6 figures within a year. Initially, I didn't know how to create content, but learned through experience. This shows that you don't need to be an expert or influencer to succeed. Consistency is vital, and you must adapt as you grow. Starting an online business requires faith and patience since results aren't immediate. While these businesses are easy to start, they require effort and dedication. My YouTube channel provides 100% free education and courses, offering a solid foundation for anyone looking to start an online business. You don't need to quit your job to begin. You can integrate these side hustles into your daily routine, even with limited time. Consistency and strategic pivoting are crucial for success. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and I'll respond as much as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Best of luck with your online business ventures, and see you in the next video.